video. You can ask at the desk. They'll put that out.
I always get confused on these trails.
We're here at the Neal Smith National Wildlife Refuge for the annual state competition of the Wildlife Habitat Education Program. So teams from across the state of youth involved in 4-H clubs have been training for the last few months, learning about Iowa's wildlife and wildlife habitat, and then they're coming together today to demonstrate their knowledge in a competition with their peers to see who knows the most about wildlife habitat management. They'll be writing a wildlife habitat management plan for a specific part of the wildlife refuge here. We'll tell them what the refuge's goals are for managing for certain species of wildlife, and then they'll write a plan and draw a map to show how it is that they're going to do that to try to achieve the goals of the management scenario.
Oh my gosh, look, it's really burning over there.
The other competition element that they'll be doing today is called the Wildlife Challenge, and there they'll be answering almost 50 questions about wildlife species found in Iowa. Things like identifying them by their call or identifying specimens, answering questions about their basic life history and ecology, and answering questions about wildlife habitat management practices that we use in wildlife management in the state.
There's quite a bit of species that you wouldn't think were in the prairie that actually balance out the ecosystem. In my mind, I thought it was just kind of flat grass. It was just some tall grass and some birds and rabbits. But it actually turns out there can be quite a few of trees, and there's a lot more than just birds and rabbits.
Conservation is so important for wildlife, for the ecosystems, but it's important for people as well. It's all connected, so it's not just animals. We need healthy air, healthy water, good soil. So all those things, by conserving natural places, you're conserving things that people need as well as wildlife needs.